Good morning, everyone. It's Monday. We're gonna go check out a job site in Southampton, Mass. The basement is practically finished, and we still have to do a final walkthrough with the homeowner. So let's hit the road. So we're in the basement right now. This is the office. It's gonna be an office here. We've got a ceiling fan, LED recessed cans, drop ceiling, LVT flooring, waterproof, has lifetime warranty on such. And this is the utility closet. We've got an electrical panel here, plenty of open slots for future projects. We have the staircase on this side. It's a finished oak wood staircase, stained to match the existing flooring. Everything looks nice. There's still some touch-ups to do, so keep in mind we gotta come back for the ceiling touch-ups, wall touch-ups. This is a drop ceiling tile, Stratford white, probably the most popular ceiling tile we installed. Here is the TV built-in. We'll have to snake some HDMI wires for the TV. You got plenty of shelves, doors for storage. Their couch would be right there, and that's a bookcase, huge bookcase, all custom. This is gonna last a lifetime, solid construction. This is the pantry area, also custom carpentry or custom finish built in for the pantry. Very solid construction, all pine boards. Some parts has melamine in it, and mostly it's just pine boards. This is the 3/4 bathroom, toilet, sink, and shower. This is the closet for the sewer ejector pump. This is how it looked. It's an in-ground barrel with a macerating pump. It has macerating blades, titanium blades. So basically it grinds everything and it pumps it out. All the gray water from the shower, the toilet, everything gets hooked up under the basement slab, and it drains into the pump, and then the pump pumps everything up into the sewer. Basically that's how it works. So it goes up this pipe and into the main sewer line. Right here on this side is a plumbing cleanup access panel. So the panel just pops out and we can clean up the pipes in case there's a clog or something, so that it doesn't overflow the pump. So basically the pump pumps all the gray water, macerates it and pumps it up through this pipe, and it goes into the main sewer line, which gets discharged into the sewer. This is the unfinished area. We're gonna keep the walls as is, maybe put another coat of paint. We have some paint left over, so we're just gonna put another coat of paint over the existing one coat of mud or level 1 finish. So usually unfinished area just stays like utility area, just stays unfinished. We had some floor left over, so we'll put some LVT flooring to match the rest of the basement. Now let's go into the bedroom. This is a bedroom. It's a pretty big room. We have an egress window or a fire escape window. That's it. It's pretty low to the ground nicely, so the person that sleeps in the bedroom, in case of a fire or an emergency, can escape. The egress window, well, it's nice and extra large, gets in a lot of sunlight. I'm going to show you how it's open. It's a crank out window. It's got a screen, and it cranks out pretty much the entire panel cranks out, and you can easily get out or get in through this window. You can easily escape. That's the purpose of a egress or fire escape window. This is how the window looks open. So it's a crank out window. You can easily escape through the egress window. You get more air and you get more sunlight, natural light in the basement with bigger windows. Right there we have the egress well drain system. So basically it allows the water to flow under the house foundation, so the water doesn't puddle next to the window, and it doesn't come in through the window sill once there's heavy rains. So because we have such a big hole next to the in front of the egress window, you don't want for water to be puddling against the window. So that's why we need to provide drainage for all that water that gets into the window well to be able to drain under the house, basically to drain away from the window sill. Otherwise it's going to come into the house. Right here we have a closet. It has adjustable shelves, and they're easy to adjust. They provide good support. This is a nice bifold door. So yeah, this is the almost finished basement. We still have to come back, do a bunch of touch-ups, and we'll have the final walkthrough hopefully this week around Wednesday, Thursday, and that's when we get our final payment, our final 10%. We only get paid after all final inspections are done, after we did the final walkthrough with the homeowner. Once the homeowner is satisfied and signs off on the project, that's when we basically get paid the final 10%. So yep, we're very interested in finishing and taking care of all the touch-ups, and hopefully the project is going to be done this week, and we'll make more videos and pictures of how the basement looked before we did anything. So basically we'll make some pictures before and after, and hopefully another video or so. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.